Good night, little Thomas.
Good night, Gordon. See you in the morning.
A fine performance, Henry. Though I know that was not an easy story for you to tell.
Thank you, Gordon. You know what? It feels a little better that I finally got it out.
Do you two think they know who we're talking about?
I'm not sure, Edward. The only one that might have known was Thomas, but he was too young at the time to remember.
I mean, you both have a good point there, but I always wonder something.
What is that, Henry?
Do you both think that 98462 was actually scrapped?
I'm not sure, Henry. I'm really not sure.